Okay, so we're diving into the Chat GPT environment right now. Let's assume I'm a business developer and I am at loss at what kind of business to invest in. Okay, so let's ask Chat GPT to list about 10 possible business ideas for us. Okay, so right now on my screen, give me 10 good business ideas. So let's see what the response is. One, tutoring online tutoring service. So as it's giving it to you, is also giving you briefly explaining what all these business ideas are all about. So as it's giving this to us, we are going to ask for questions on one of them. So we'll say, okay, so I will say choosing option 1. Write me 5 paragraphs on the business. Let's see. Choosing option 1. So remember what we said earlier on, that Chat GPT understands conversation. It retains conversation, like something you already discussed with Chat GPT before, or just something you already have discussed with Chat GPT. All you just need to do is to make reference to that point. Definitely, it will be able to grab that point and then expatiate on it, or give you whatever it is you need. So I asked for 5 paragraphs for the option 1, and as you can see on the screen right now, it's giving us at least 5 paragraphs on what option 1 is all about, which is online course, online tutoring. So you can see it right now on the screen. Online tutoring is a fast-growing industry that is becoming increasingly popular with more students option. So now you will understand also that to start a business, there are certain criteria that are involved. The whole idea behind ChatGPT is this: you also have to be kind of intelligent. You need to know what you want. You need to really, really know what you intend to achieve before you can ask such questions. Now, it has given us about 5 different paragraphs, like we asked. If you had asked for 10, it would have given us 10. So now, we can now say, okay, normally we want to get this across. We want to expatiate on this. Okay, what do we do? How do we start this particular kind of business? What do we need to do? So we can ask ChatGPT, what do I need to start this business? So now you see, after inputting this, you can see it's telling me an error occurred. Issue persist, please contact. Basically, this is because this is a trial version. This is a free version. Okay, there is so much pressure on Chat GPT. People from all over the world are using this application right now. So in the free version, you will normally encounter this. So what you just need to do is to refresh the page and then get to ask the question again. So I'm going to copy this out and then refresh the page. Yeah, so after refreshing, I post this and then business ideas. Yes, that's, we have to continue with this discussion. Then see what I did. I went, all the chats, all the messages you have sent to ChatGPT will be listed there. So we'll just click on this and then we continue with the discussion. What do I need to start this business? So, okay, so it has commenced again with the responses to start an online tutor. See, it even still recognizes, or it still understood what was discussed last. I didn't have to mention online tutoring business. So for the mere fact that I had to click on the last chat and then I continued with the conversation, ChatGPT was able to remember the last discussion, and then here we are. So I said, to start an online business, there are several things you will need: relevant qualifications and experience, a computer and internet connection, a tutoring platform, and other stuff like that. So this is more like a research you are making to start a business that you intend to. Hold on, it gets more interesting from this point. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us a business plan for this business. Give me a comprehensive business plan for this business. The Chat GPT cannot handle two different queries at a time. So we have to allow it to finish with one, or we stop generating from here. Okay. So let's allow it to finish with this one. It's a legal tax obligations, contract agreements, a pricing strategy. These are the things you need to start this business. See, isn't this interesting? Isn't this beautiful? All right, guys. So I'm going to have to start overall. Starting an online tutoring business requires a combination of qualifications, technical resources, marketing materials, pricing strategy. That's all. So I'm going to ask Chat GPT, give me a comprehensive business plan for this business. Let's go. Sure, here is a comprehensive business plan for starting an online tutoring business. Exclusive summary. So basically, this is something that should cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars of naira to come up with. This document that is being come up with here right now is something you would have gone to consult a business consultant or something, and they will charge you hundreds of thousands of dollars. And this is happening right here. It's generating a business plan for you. So each of these points that are being listed here, you can easily expatiate on them. So it says to a business plan, executive summary, company description. Okay, so let's take Chat GPT. Write me comprehensive content on each of these points. Okay, so Chat GPT has started giving me, okay, started from 5. Sure. Marketing, sales, operations, financial projections. You understand? So as it's giving us all this, you can easily expatiate on all this content. So in summary, we have been able to get Chat GPT to give us business ideas, 10 different business ideas, and we have been able to ask the same bot to explain or to expatiate on one of the ideas, of which we chose the number one, which is online course tutoring. Okay, so and then we still went ahead to tell ChatGPT to give us a business plan on that business idea. So whatever it is you need to do, pull a letter content for investors for this idea. So let's see what it gives us. Dear investors, I am writing to introduce you to our exciting new tutoring business, our online institute. See, this is a massive tool that you can use to achieve whatever it is you intend to achieve. This angle is for business developers or business consultants. Okay, so next we are going to go into the aspect of, okay, possibly a chef, how to use ChatGPT for research on meals that you've not even heard about, and how to be able to cook them without any issues. Okay, so now we have the letter for sponsors. You can get this ChatGPT to do to do your bidding. Just type it. All you need is an idea of what you want, and then input it, and it generates it for you. Right? That way,